Meaning of hummus.
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 Hummus. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip or spread made from cooked and mashed chickpeas, blended with tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and salt. It has a smooth and creamy texture and a nutty flavor. This dish is popular throughout the Mediterranean region and commonly served as an appetizer or snack with pita bread. Hummus is also a good source of plant-based protein and fiber. It is known to have several health benefits, such as improving heart health, lowering cholesterol levels, and aiding digestion. In summary, hummus is a delicious and nutritious food with a rich cultural history.